Hi, this is me, Tarun Tamang from Let's Self YouTube channel, and you are watching PHP series. This is my second part on array. So in previous video, we have learned about index array, and today we are going to learn about associative array. So just let's delete this and let's use associative array. So associative arrays are those arrays that used a keys instead of index that you assign to them. For example, in index array, we have assigned, we have declared a variable, and on that variable, we have stored a value. So here, this 0 is the index, but in associative array, we will not use a indexed. So instead of index, we use a keyword like this ABC or any name or string value. You can define it. So this is called an associative array. So let's store the age of three students. For example, Ram equals the age of Ram is 45 dollar or Sam the age of dollar Sam is assigned Sam will assigned by 35 and dollar R the age Sita assigned with the value 25. So instead of index, we have used a string. This is known as a key in a PHP instead of index. So we'll not use a index in associative array. Now let's echo this echo dollar $r. So here we'll write the name, a keywords or a key. Let's use concatenation operator and use br type. Just copy it, paste it, ram SHYAM Sam and Sita. Let's save this and open in a browser. We have saved a file name array.php. So here the age of RAM, the age of three students are displayed over here. So let's write the age. The age of RAM is RAM is use concatenation space again concatenation. Save this. Let's copy these things, paste it over here instead of RAM. Just change YAM Sam. Here name it Sita Save it and refresh the page. You'll see the age of Ram is 45, the age of Sam is 25, and the age of Sita is 25. So in this way you can declare or you can define a associative array. Let's use BR tag. So there is another way to declare a associative array, or there is another way to create associative array. Let's see it. I'll just write in a comment section about the syntax of associative array. So variable name equals to array. We'll use key in between a double quotation marks, and we use an equals to sign and bigger sign, which is known as this sign is known as array operator. And again we'll use a double in quotation marks and we'll define a value over here. So in this way we can create an associative array. Let's take it. So let's store the age of three student. I create a variable age, and under age variable I like to store the value like key means I have created RAM array operators, and value means 45. Same key operator, that is array operator, and a value 35. Again key like Sita operators and value 25. Echo Sita echo RAM is dollar is, let's use concatenation again, years old. Just save this and refresh the page. Let's see what will be the output. Here, the RAM is 45 years old. So again, copy all these things, paste it over here. Instead of RAM, we use Sam and Sita. Save this and refresh the page. You'll see that RAM age is 45 years old. Sorry. All it was displayed a RAM. That means we have to change the name over here. Sam Sita. Let's use a BR tag. Copy this and let's paste it over here. Save it and refresh the page. Here it display RAM is 45 years old, Sam is 35 years old, and Sita is 25 years old. So this is how we can create a associative array in PHP. So in PHP, it is not compulsory to use a index or numeric value over here. Instead of index, we can use a keywords like ABC 1234, or we can give a boolean too. We can store a boolean value over here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have got any doubts regarding array, you can comment me in the comment box. Please don't forget to give thumbs up and do share my video in a social networking site. Thank you so much for watching.